Hello students, today we'll discuss the inheritance. Inheritance is the mechanism which provides the power of reusability and extendability. The second point, inheritance is process by which one object can acquire the properties of another object. Next point, inheritance is the process by which new classes called derived classes are created from existing classes called base classes. Last point is allow creation of hierarchical classification. Now we'll discuss the advantages of inheritance. The advantages are it saves memory space. The second advantage is it saves time. Third is it will remove frustration. Then fourth point is it increases reliability of the code. Fifth advantage is it saves the developing and testing effort. These are all advantages of inheritance. Okay, so we use the inheritance in C++ language because of these advantages. Now, the need of inheritance to increase the reusability of the code and make further usable for another classes, we use the concept of inheritance. Now we'll discuss the types of inheritance. There are five types of inheritance. The first is single inheritance. Then second type is multiple inheritance. Third type is hierarchical inheritance. The fourth type is multi-level inheritance. And fifth type is hybrid inheritance. Now we'll discuss the detail of this type of inheritance. Single inheritance. In single inheritance, there is one parent class, or we can say the base class, from which the derived class or child class is created. Or we can say in single inheritance, the derived class acquired the properties of the base class. Okay. See here, in this example, the point is parent class and line is the derived class or can say child class. The line acquire all the property of the point in this example. Now the second type is hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, there is one base class. From that base class, multiple multiple child class are derived. Or we can say multiple derived class are there, which acquire the properties of the base class. See the example here. In this example, fruit is base class. From fruit, orange, mango, and banana. These classes are derived, or can say the orange, mango, and banana. These are derived class which acquire the property of the base class. Base class here is the fruit. Now see the now next type is multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance, there are different. There are multiple parent class or base class. From this multiple parent class or base class, the child class is created, or you can say the child class acquired the property of two or more parent class. In this example, triangle and rectangle are the parent class, and the polygon acquire the property of the triangle and rectangle. Multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance is the another type of the inheritance. Okay. In multi-level inheritance, there is level of inheritance means from superclass, the another subclass one derived, and from again that subclass another, or we can say second subclass is derived. In this example, polygon is superclass. From this polygon superclass, triangle, which is subclass one, is derived. From triangle subclass one, the another subclass two, which is right angle triangle, is derived. So this is the multi-level inheritance. The level of inheritance is there in multi-level inheritance. Now we'll discuss the next type of inheritance, that is hybrid inheritance. In hybrid inheritance, it is combination of the multiple and multi-level inheritance. So see in example, college is base class. From college, college base class or can super class, two subclass are derived, staff and student. From the staff and student, again result class is derived. See, the college, from college, staff and student are derived. So this is the hierarchical inheritance. And from this hierarchical inheritance, again, staff and student are the two superclasses, act superclass for the results. So this is the multiple inheritance. So this is the combination of the hierarchical and the multiple inheritance. This is the hybrid inheritance. Okay. Now we'll discuss the basic concept of inheritance. Base class. Base class is a class. We define those quality common to all objects to be derived from the base. The base class represents the most general description. Yes, base class represents most general description. A class that is inherited is referred as base class. Derived classes. The second concept is derived classes. The classes derived from the base class are usually referred to as derived classes. A derived class includes all features of the generic base class and then add qualities specific to derived classes. The class that does not inheriting is called derived class. Derived class. Note: derived class can be used as base class or for another derived class. In C++, inheritance is achieved by allowing one class to incorporate another class into its declaration. In C++, inheritance is achieved by allowing one class to incorporate another class into its declaration. C. Now we'll discuss the access mode or visibility mode of inheritance. We have seen two access mode in C++. In C++ classes, one is public and another one is private. The public members are directly accessible by users of the class, whereas private members are not directly accessible by the users of class, not even by inheritors. There is third access mode or access specifier, that is protected. Protected members are directly accessible by the derived classes, but not by other users. See the syntax of inheritance in C++. Syntax is class keyword, the derived class name is there, then colon, then access specifier. After access specifier, base class name is there, then opening curly bracket, then body of that class, close curly bracket, then semicolon. Example. In this example class, C rectangle, colon, public C polygon, opening curly bracket, after that the body of the class, then close curly bracket, semicolon. Another example, class C triangle, colon, public C polygon, opening curly bracket and close curly bracket, semicolon. In opening curly bracket and close curly bracket, the body of class is there. Now we'll discuss the access or visibility mode of inheritance. Visibility of inherited base class member is derived class. Visibility of inherited base class members in derived class. See the visibility mode is public, protected, and private. Public members of base class. Public members of base class. The access specifier are the public, protected, and the private. Protected member of base class. For protected member of base class, for public, it is protected. For protected, it should be protected. And for private, it is private. Okay, and for private members of base class are not directly accessible to derived class. Yes, private members of base class are not directly accessible to the derived class. See the syntax: class base class, opening curly bracket, then private int x, integer x, public int y, protected in z, close curly bracket. This is the base class. Now see the inheritance in the private declaration. Syntax is class derived class colon private base class opening curly bracket, after that x semicomma, which is not accessible because x is private, so which is not accessible in the derived class. Then public, for public private declaration is there, declaration of the inheritance is private, so public become private, and protected also become protected. Then inheritance in public declaration syntax is class derived class colon public base class. X is not accessible because which is private in the base class. Then Y is public, so that access mode is public. Z will become the protected in the derived class because Z is protected in the base class. Now see protected derivation derived class colon protected base class opening curly bracket. X is not accessible because X is private in the derived class, but y is protected because the access whisper of the y is public in the base class, and z will become the protected because z's access whisper is the protected in the base class itself. Okay, so example of single inheritance, we'll discuss the example of inheritance through the example. See the class form private data members is double area, then public int color, then the method is double get area, return this access is for area, then double method complete, the void set area, parent is passed to is double area, then open curly bracket, this area equal to area semicolon, curly bracket complete. Now bool is dark, which is the another method which color return the color greater than 10. The bool is dark method complete, class form complete, semicomma. The single inheritance, the circle inherit the form. Okay, see the in this example, class circle colon public inheritance, public form, open curly bracket, public double get ratio, which is the method, open curly bracket, double a semicomma, a equal to get area semicomma, returns square root of a divided by 2 into 3.14 semicomma, curly bracket complete, void set ratio, the for this set ratio parent is pass, parent of is the parent of pass is the double radius, the color equal to 5, then after that set area in bracket power of radius 0.5 comma 2 into bracket complete into 3.14 set area bracket complete semicomma set void set ratio method complete, class circle complete, semicomma. Now the int main function, int main, after that curly bracket double answer circle c, circle c, here c is the object of class circle, c dot set ratio, into set ratio I have passed 10. Now answer equal to C dot get ratio, semicolon. C out answer. Now, after that, we'll C answer equals C dot is dark, semicolon. C out C answer, return 0. Now, we'll discuss the another type of inheritance, that is multiple inheritance. See the syntax of multiple inheritance. Class, which is the keyword. After class, the name of derived class, colon, access specifier, name of the base class. Here in this case, base class 1, comma, then again access specifier, the name of the base class 2, or another base class. In this case, the name is base class 2. Then open curly bracket, close curly bracket. For example, class result, colon, public student, comma, public staff, open curly bracket, close curly bracket. Example of multiple inheritance. In this example, student and sport are the base classes. From these base classes, statement is derived. Okay, so consider this arrow, the student arrow from student to statement, and from arrow from sport to statement. So in this example, class name is student. In protected section, int r number, comma m1, comma m2, comma semicolon. In public section, void get. Cout, enter the roll number, scene r number, enter 2 marks m1 and m2, scene m1 and m2, get method complete, class 1 complete, semicolon. Now class port, open curly bracket in protected section, int sm. Sm means sports mark. Then in public section, get sport marking method is there. In this get sm means get sport mark. Cout, enter the sport mark. Scene is sm. Curly bracket complete. Then class port complete, semicolon. Now class statement, colon, public student, comma, public sport. This is the example of multiple inheritance. Open curly bracket, int tot, comma, avg, or you can say average, semicolon. In public section, void display. Open curly bracket, close curly bracket, tot equal to, in bracket, m1 plus m2 plus sm, bracket complete, semicolon. Average equal to tot divided by 3, semicolon. Cout, slash t, roll number, colon. After that, roll number, total, tot. Okay. Cout, average is display an average. Now see the int main clear screen is there. Then statement object of statement is created, comma, object dot get, semicolon, object dot get sm, semicolon, object dot display, semicolon, get ch, return 0. This is the example of multiple inheritance. Now hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance syntax is class derived class 1, colon, access to base class, opening curly bracket, close curly bracket. Then again class derived class 2, colon, access specifier, base class, open curly bracket, close curly bracket. For example, class student, colon, public person, open curly bracket, close curly bracket. Class staff, colon, public person, open curly bracket, close curly bracket. See the example of hierarchical inheritance. In this example also, consider the arrow from person to student and from person to teacher. See in example, class person is there. In private section, character name 20, array of 20. Okay. Then long in phone number. In public section, void read method is there, which will see out the enter name. Then scene extraction name, then cout insertion enters phone number, scene extraction phone number, read method complete, then void show method is there, void show open curly bracket cout name equal to insertion name, cout phone number equal to insertion of phone number, show method complete, then class person complete semicolon. Now class student colon public person open curly bracket in private area int roll number semicolon character course array of 20. Okay, then public section void read open curly bracket person scope resolution operator read semicolon, then cout enter roll number, scene extraction of roll number, then cout enter course, then scene extraction of course semicolon, then read method complete, then void show open curly bracket person scope resolution operator show method semicolon, then cout roll number insertion of roll number, cout course equal to insertion of course, show method complete, then student class complete. Now see the class teacher colon public person open curly bracket private character department name array of 10, department name is array of 10, then character qualification which is also array of 10, the size of this array is 10, then public section void read method is there, open curly bracket person scope operator read, then cout enter the name and qualification, scene department name expression of qualification, then void show person scopes resolution operator show cout department equal to insertion of department name, then again cout qualification equal to insertion of qualification, show method complete, the teacher class complete. Now int main function open curly bracket clear screen student s1, here I have created the object of student s1, then cout enter student information s1 dot read semicolon, cout displaying student information s1 dot show teacher t1, here I have created the object of teacher t1, then cout enter teacher information t1 dot read, then again cout displaying the teacher information t1 dot show get ch return 0 semicolon, main message complete. Now we'll discuss the multi-level inheritance. The syntax is class data class 1 colon access specifier base class 1 open curly bracket close curly bracket class data class 2 colon access specifier data class 1 open curly bracket close curly bracket example class father colon public grandfather open curly bracket close curly bracket, and again class son colon public father open curly bracket close curly bracket.